Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download gradients from Figma plugins, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Figma design file. Navigate to the toolbar on the top of the window. Click on the Plugins option. Select Browse Plugins to open the plugin menu. In the search bar, type in gradient to find relevant plugins. Choose a gradient plugin that suits your needs. Click the Install button to add the plugin to your Figma. Once installed, return to your design file. With the file open, click on the Plugins menu again. Hover over the installed gradient plugin and select it. The plugin interface will appear on the right side of your screen. Explore the available gradient options within the plugin. Choose a gradient style that you like. Click on the gradient to preview it on your selected design element. If you are satisfied, click the Apply button. The gradient will now be applied to your selected element. To download the gradient, check if the plugin offers an export option. If available, click the Export or Download button. Choose the file format for downloading, if prompted. Select a destination on your computer for saving the gradient file. Click Save to complete the download. You can now access your downloaded gradients for future use. Repeat these steps for any additional gradients you wish to download. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.